Following the notification of St. Anthony's College to implement a dress code, the students of the college protested against the decision of the college authorities on Tuesday. Students assembled in the college campus to voice their concerns, asserting that the decision was done suddenly. The students met the principal of the college and no decision has been taken, as the matter will be relayed to the higher-ups of the college.
Our protest is mainly to go against the uniform because it's just so sudden and we are having only 1 year left. We are in the fourth semesters now, so 1 year left and the uniform is suddenly implemented. And if the college authority, if they want to implement uniform, they can do so by the next batch, maybe during the time of admission, keeping in writing in the admission form, like if they want to implement uniform, give it a writing, so whoever has seen that, if they still come to the college, they will come with their own consent of wearing uniform.
Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Anurag